All right, guys. Got one. It's a rock bass, I think. That's a decent size. Well, no, it's a small rock bass.
Put up a good fight.
Yeah. He's got like spots all over him.
Nice job.
That's a rock bass.
And Alex just went in. There he is. Well, he bit like he was a brim. And there he goes. He's swimming away.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Catching Trout Outdoors video.
We're back fishing in the Blue Ridge Mountains.
Got the whole gang again. Jason's here with us, Cole and Alex and me, Tyler. So we've come to this spot. We didn't intend to fish right here, but there's no one here. And it looks really good. So we're gonna fish here first, and then if we'll go ahead and jump. Camera people or the people on YouTube will love it. Show them what you got. Let's see them mad hops. Oh man, that was great. Okay, so we're gonna fish this spot. It's super easy to get to, so I don't anticipate us catching a whole lot, but we'll fish here, and then the plan is to just make our way down river, down through there to the more difficult to get to portion of the river. It gets pretty deep, so I'm not entirely sure how we're going to get across right here without being almost waist deep. So we'll see, but the goal is to get way down there. So we're going to get in here, get strung up on the fishing poles, and see if we can make it happen.
First cast of the day.
Cole's wearing his fishing hat from baseball season. Got the mud catfish on the back. All right, check your line. Reel it a little bit.
Oh, I'm hung.
You're hung. Yeah, there's a lot of rocks in here.
Oh, there it is, Jay. That looks like an eagle. Come video that. Look at that.
That is an eagle.
Is it?
Kinda looks like one. I don't know birds very well. That's neat. Let's catch a little one and feed him.
I'm bleeding. I get a bite. I had a bite. That was fun. Huh? No, I don't think so. I think I got one.
He does. Yep. Alex, get the net. Right here, right here, right here. Go net it, Alex. Go net it, go net it, go net it. Go net it, Alex. Go do it, baby. Go out there too, Alex.
It broke its arm.
Okay. Alright.
But he don't have a hook. That was a nice one, Cole.
All right, guys, Alex is getting a bite, and she's got one. Real. It's a brim.
You don't need the net for that one. Don't let it touch the sand, though, guys.
There he is. There you go. Nice fish. All right, guys, here's the release, and there he goes. And Cole's hung on the rock. Got him. Got him.
That's the same exact amount.
Rock bass hole. There he is. I'm gonna need the pliers. All right, guys, so by accident, when I was recording Alex's, I turned it off. I thought I turned it back on, but I caught a trout. There he is. I'm gonna get him on the stringer, and then I'm gonna go try to catch some more. Cole's got one. Still got my trout. Nice.
Chase, that's the one that you caught fish on when you were young.
There he is.
Bridge. He has red eyes.
All right, I'm gonna get him hooked up right here. All right, guys. Got another one. And let me video Cole's release. There he goes.
Yep. Yeah.
Whoa,
Get mine out of my mouth. I don't need fire.
Oh, God, is this good?
Ow. Here he goes. There he goes, swimming off. Guys, Cole's got one. Bring it over to me.
Oh, I just had a trout swap at mine. That was a decent trout.
Oh, I'm gonna stay right here with you then.
Yeah. Alex has one too.
I can't be running all over the place.
You can, go video that. Never mind. It's a brand. Look, hold yours up, Alex. Look at Cole now.
Doubled up.
Let me get Cole's off from you.
Hey, at least we're catching rock bass.
I got one.
It is a little one.
This is big.
Only if the trout were the little ones.
Yeah, for real.
Little one.
Darn it. Like there's 5,000 rock bass in here, it seems like.
Yeah, I mean, they don't stop. Oh,
Oh, did you see him come at it?
I think it
Trout.
was it.
Trout was behind him. I don't think the trout's what capped it, but good job, Cole.
Here goes mine. My worm still looks all right. All right, either I got a brim or I got him. We're about to see. Again, oh, there's the big trout. There's two big trout. Daggum, these brim, dude. I need to go get pliers and stuff. Alex caught her another rock bass. I'm videoing, correct? Yep. Alex caught her another rock bass. Nice. Well done. Alright, so that trout is laid up over there somewhere. I need to cast. And I bring it over top of him. How? How did I catch a rock bass out of that? That's a pretty big one.
We could have literally, listen, we've been keeping all the rock bass, we could have filleted them out and fish fry.
You want to start it?
No idea.
Oh, I forgot to video that. There he went. No. I can feel by the way it's biting. So it's not a trout. I can feel by the way it's biting, but I got a rock bass, I think. Yeah.
Rock bass, man. It's fun catching them.
There he went.
Oh, Jace.
Oh my gosh.
Are you videoing?
Yes. You said Jason, I clicked. That was a big trout.
Yeah, I bet you didn't get it. I bet you didn't get it in time. When I said Jason, you clicked, there's no way you got video of it.
Yeah, I doubt.
Darn it. Okay, so there was a massive one.
Yes.
Just hit, but it just tail grabbed.
You think he'll bite again?
Okay, when I say massive, that's
That was a big trout.
that was a decent trout. He wasn't massive. No, I do not think
Oh. That was probably what, 15, 20 inches?
It was a big rainbow. Probably 15, give or take an inch or two.
I was putting a worm on and Dad said, oh, I just had a big one swap at it. So I am now recording.
There he is, net.
Net.
That's another teacher.
That's a beautiful fish.
Colors on that thing.
And you just came out. It's a massive trout.
Here's what's crazy.
Thanks for that, Pedro.
We're right behind the campground. Like literally, walk over there and show them. Like we're on the bank and there's campsites right there.
There's campsites right there. You could see that canopy. That's a big fish. There he is.
There he is.
Do not let him jump out.
Look at the color. This side's prettier. Stop it. Look at the colors on that.
Especially right there.
Man. Wow.
It's a beautiful fish.
Ooh, I about dropped him. I'm not even lying. I about dropped him. That would not have been good.
Right there's a stringer.
Come on. What are you doing?
There he goes.
Yep. Alright, you need to be videoing this. Just video.
Oh, I do got one. Big one, big one, big one, big one. Nice.
Well done. Oh, get this on the back. Get this on the back. Get this on
I
the
got it down on the bank.
back. Wait up there.
Cole, watch my fish.
Okay, go get your fish. We'll come back and for you. Wow. All right, show Alex's. Boom. Another one. All right.
There's mine.
Boy.
That's a
I thought I was hung. Is that a bass? Yep. Cole. Oh. Let me come see this one. Hold on. I'm gonna let mine flow while I come look at yours. You hook him good, all three?
No, just one. Ow! He got me finally with the spurs.
There he goes.
You don't have many on the back.
Hey,
One of them's found.
that's a fat one, dude.
Yeah.
Cole, come here. Oh, that's a nice one. Here.
You video. You video. Hand me the net. You video.
Cole, give me some.
He was slapping. I couldn't see, dude.
Holy cow.
Look at you go. Cole. Cole.
That's a big trout.
Yes, sir.
You mean a big rainbow trout?
Yeah, it's a big rainbow trout. Let's see what we look at. Whoa.
He was giving the head
He's angry.
thrushes.
He's angry.
Give me some.
Thanks.
Alex is doing a good job.
That was awesome. As soon as I set the hook, I knew it was going to be a decent sized one. Did you
He
swallow it?
swallowed it. Yep.
Cutting it?
We will. Sure.
Net.
Alex.
It's under.
Go to Jay.
I don't know whether it's a big one or not, but
Alex. Oh, it's a bass. Reel it on in.
why'd you say Jace?
Because I was on the other side of you.
It's a big.
It's a deep, long hole, man.
What?
All right, guys, there he is. Let's see. There he goes.
Alex. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Just video.
Golly, you are the king of the bass today, Alex.
The queen.
Great release. The queen, yeah, you're the queen.
Got one. Got one. Yes.
What?
All righty, guys.
Okay, so we've moved on down the river from where we were just a little bit. We're at the bottom of the hole. And I just had two, or
One swipe
cast
twice.
in and one swipe twice, and that's my last lure like that. And it's hung in that limb. Watch out. Y'all scoot to the right. Good. Stay clear. It's probably going to come out.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it's in me.
It's in your stomach.
Is it?
No.
It's at your.
Oh, that really stung. Where's it at? Don't pull it. Don't pull it. I think
It's
it might be
not in you.
Okay, good. I think it might have stabbed there. Thanks. Wow.
I may or may not be.
Chase is cracking up. You can laugh out loud, Jay.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Like it come at me like a bullet, dude.
I was trying
No
to.
moving. Let me see if I'm bleeding. Don't look at me because I'm lifting up the shirt. Oh my gosh, I'm bleeding bad.
Actually?
No. Oh, no. All right, look at me though. I don't think it's recording. It is.
All right, guys, just got a little.
Give Alex it off.
There.
Real.
He's in. No! No, he came off. Hold on. Hold on. There he is. That's a big fish.
Lost him.
He's at me.
See for the sun. Don't pull up. Don't pull up.
I'm not pulling up.
I'm afraid he's gonna pull up. He's gonna flip and come off. Look at that.
Nice.
Alex, great job.
Well done, sissy.
Yes. Cole.
What'd he say?
What he said.
I saw that.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, I couldn't
Great job, sis.
pull the pole in the water and out of my hand, so I had to like put it under my arm.
He ended up hitting again. Huh. Did not think you would. Yeah. Yes. Hey! Must be the money. These rock bass dudes, they are up. Drop it. Oh. There we go. There he goes. Still right there, and he just swam off. Okay.
Right in there.
Oh, here we go. Am I videoing?
Yes. That's a bummer. Another big old trout.
Bye-bye. What have I got now?
There it went.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, that's a good one.
They just don't leave me alone.
Alright, I'm casting one more time, then we're going up yonder.
North Carolina release. With a front flip.
Nice.
I'm sorry, broski, I'm trying. Dadgum. There he goes. Plump. That's what makes me mad is this little... Oh, it's a bass. Ow. There he is. There he goes. Oh my.
Yeah. Get it. Get him off the dirt. Good. Here you go. Watch this. Hold him over the water. Hold him over the water. Hold him over the water. Get him lower. Wait. Oh, I need to get him still.
Let's get the keeper.
There it is. Look at there.
Oh gosh.
He revived.
It's probably what you've been seeing that whole time. It's just a big rock bass.
No, it was a big trout. Did y'all see that big trout that was right here? When I was saying here's a big trout and Jace was over there? You didn't see him?
Yeah. You're hallucinating, bro.
Literally right here in front of me.
Getting bites. Oh no, another rock
one.
bass.
So annoying at this point. I did it fun for a while, but now it's like, alright, I just want to catch trout. I don't want to catch any more of you.
Swim, brothers.
Cole, reel.
I am videoing. Fish. Revenge! 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 Yeah! Yes, sir.
Okay, come on, Cole, let's go up here. Okay, so Cole just caught this one. I have no idea if we got it on the GoPro or not. Jason just started recording, but the battery was all but dead. So this is the last hole we were really going to fish before we go back and cook. But here's Cole's fish. Not sure if this is the one that he lost earlier or not. I'm going to turn this down actually so I can see in the, get it right there so y'all can see. So there is Cole's fish. All right, great job, Cole. His second fish of the day.
Is this revenge? If you're even the same fish. Yeah, boy. What would you say?
I don't know. You figure it out. What are we fixing to do?
Cook?
Let them know. Look at the camera, not the screen.
We're about to cook.
Well done. He nailed it. All right, so cooking portion. Cole decided he wanted to help me cook today. So we got this nice little picnic table right here beside where we parked. Jason and Alex are cleaning the trout for us, so that's first. Usually I have to do all that cleaning and everything, even though Jason knows how. But he's down there cleaning the trout. While he's doing that, Cole and I are gonna set up everything we need for the cooking portion. We have no idea. Like typically what I do is we'll kind of decide beforehand what we're cooking them in, how we're cooking them and all that stuff, and know what seasonings we're going to be using. We didn't do that this time. I don't know what seasonings we brought, so once I get back up here, I'm going to dig through, see what we got to choose from, and kind of let them figure out what they want and go from there. What we're going to do is I'm going to turn this down a little bit. The kids, Cole was talking about turning his head and picking, or everybody blindly picking which one they wanted. So what we're going to do is they're going to get together over there, pick a number, and I'm going to assign each of the 3 seasonings. Let's see here. We got Aces, we got Blackened, and we have Cajun seasoning. They're going to turn their backs, come up with a number. I'm going to show y'all which number I assigned to each one. So this is 1, 2, that's 3. So no real order here. All right, which do y'all pick? You may turn. Have y'all got a number yet?
Yeah,
Hurry up, because their stuff's going. You picked 3.
Okay.
Number 3 was Cajun seasoning.
Yes.
I'm joking, it wasn't Cajun seasoning. Number 3 was Aces. I'm joking, it wasn't Aces either. It was the blackened seasoning.
Yes.
Number 3 was blackened. So, are you happy with your choice?
Yes.
This whole time I thought I had the camera pointing in there. That was my fault. Sorry, I'm just gonna douse a little bit more seasoning on them. Get them good and coated. I wish y'all could smell how good this smells. Like, it smells amazing. All right, now let's get the lid on them. Helper, can you put the lid on? Wait just a second, let me get that off. Okay, set it on there.
Wait, on your other
Very good,
helper.
very good. All right, I'm gonna go wash my hands off. I think we're done. We're going to check a piece of fish right here real quick. I know that the head of it, or like the back, the thick part's done. So the main question is, are the sides here? If they're done, then we're good to go. And they are done. Yeah, they're definitely done. So who wants the first bite?
Me, you.
Alex can.
Oh yeah, we've not prayed yet. I'm just gonna tuck it right back in there and we're gonna get them out of there. Okay, so we have it all done. Everybody ready to go? All right?
Yes.
Yep, so there it all is. And yeah, yet again, as always, all the skin and everything's falling off the bone. So, and peeling apart, but it's good and cooked. And one, it's a lot of trout. Two, it's burning my hand. So we're gonna pray real quick and dig in. Who was praying? Cole? All right, go ahead and pray for us. Be sure to mention the food. All right, be sure to thank him for the food. Go ahead.
What thank you today, hopes and things today. Thank you for the food, and thank you for letting us catch these fish. Amen.
Amen. Very good. Yeah, so we had a great time. Go ahead. Y'all can go ahead and dig in. I'll kind of talk a little bit while we do it. Had a great time. It started out so slow.
So good.
It is good? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You're done.
It smells amazing. Here, you can use this for it.
That's
Go ahead. Go
very
ahead.
good.
I'm still talking. Okay. So, it started out very slow. Like,
This will be on 4.
I didn't think we were going to. He just wants a bite too.
Sorry, bud.
I didn't think we were going to catch any. Oh no! I didn't think we were going to catch hardly any. And then the first one we did catch finally, Jace didn't video it. He accidentally, he thought he was videoing, or he thought he wasn't videoing when he was videoing. So then when he caught the fish, he goes to turn it on and actually cut it off. So, here we go. It is so good.
Nothing but the bones left.
Nothing but
There you
the
The bones
bones
left.
All right, look at the camera.
Nothing but the bones left. I'll say it. I'll say it. I got it.
Nothing but the bones left.
All you gotta do is just say it. You ain't gonna sing it, just say it. You're the one.
Nothing but the bones left.
Very good, Cole. Thank you.
Nothing but.
That was a lot of food, man.
Yeah.
They, like halfway through it, Jace is like, I can't eat no more. And I'm like, no, you made us keep that last fish, so you're still eating, pal. So, it was great. Like I said earlier, it really started off slow. I didn't think this video was gonna make, what did we do? Blackened seasoning, smelled amazing cooking. Kind of a little bit of a letdown once we ate it. It was good, but it wasn't our favorite. I don't think it was anybody's favorite,
No,
was it?
It was mine.
It was Cole's favorite. Okay, so it's Cole's favorite. We thought it was okay. Wasn't our favorite. Had a good time. It looks like we're about to get rained on, so we're going to try to get packed up, get everything put in the vehicle, and get home before it comes a monsoon on us. We had a great time today. Thank y'all for joining in and hanging out with us on our adventure.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always,
We'll catch you next time.
Well done. We didn't even rehearse it that time. Like, there was no preparation. There was no before we cut on the camera. Cole say this, Alex, Jay. So, good job, guys. Well done. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see you next time.